Hello, this is James, also known as Mr. Bubbles on Facebook, Instagram, eBay, etc. I figured I'd do a quick review of the Queen Studios Joker Joaquin Phoenix life-size bust for the Batman statue collector channel. Starting at the base. Definitely an interesting base, lots of nods to the movie. To include the classic stairway scene. You can turn that light on or off. The Joker sign is removable, but I think most folks would want to keep that in there. There's also this street post that is magnetic and removable. Looks like you could put a battery in there, turn the switch on or off. I don't know what kind of battery. I didn't see anything about in the instructions, but maybe I'll mess with that one day. So maybe it turns that top light on there. Again, nothing in the instructions about it. Not really necessary to turn it on. Moving up the bust. The clothing is really well done. High quality fabric. It's showing up lighter on camera here. The red is a little darker red. The mustard color or gold color there is a little darker. Same with the green. Just, again, really well done. Really thick feeling material. Well tailored, as you'd expect for such an expensive bust. Star of the show is definitely the portrait. The silicone skin, glass eyes, the eyelashes, I think you can see in there. Just really well done, super detailed. The likeness is on for sure. Then the hair, which tends to make these life-size busts that have hair out of the box, looks terrible. Looks like really bright green all over the place. So I had to spend a decent amount of time running some gel through there, using water and gel to get it styled a little better, give it that darker look. Again, in camera, it's turning out a little brighter green than it looks in person. I still need to mess with it a little more, but in general, once you spend some time actually trying to style the hair up, it looks way better than out of the box, and really helps them look more lifelike. I've got some pretty bright lights on them right now. But again, you can just see how detailed the paint is, the pores in the skin. Really, really well done. Then on the back, as most people know, what really sets this bust apart is the smaller scale diorama that Queen Studios did. Super detailed with this mirror effect. You can turn the lights on and off with a push of a button. It's located up here, so you can turn that on and off. I'd say probably the worst part about it is the batteries are located up here. So to replace those batteries, you actually have to take the bust off and then swap those batteries out. So not the best design there, but I don't know how often you actually have to do that, but still something I guess to be aware of. Tons of detail in this little diorama between all the details on the makeup table here, him holding this little brush, stickers and everything on the mirror. I mean, it's really cool, especially if you have it in a situation where you can display it on a turntable and you can actually see this. In general, I'm not a huge fan of having anything on the back of these busts just because a lot of time it goes to waste and you don't get to see that. But in this particular situation, especially where I plan on keeping this displayed, it is pretty cool and worth the extra money, I guess. So one of the things I like to do is figure out how to handle the lighting to make the bust look as good as possible, or any of the statues I have. So this is on a low overhead light setting with a blue accent light. And then this is with a red accent light. You can see it just kind of changes the tint and the tone of the bust. And here's purple. Then for a size comparison, you can kind of see the Joker life-size bust to the Queen Alita to the Infinity Batman. That elevated base definitely helps out a lot with, you know, how it stands out in the collection. Anyway, just a really cool piece, and I was excited to get this one, and really excited when I saw it out of the box and got the hair styled and displayed the way it should be displayed.
Hey guys, thank you so very much for watching today, and if you're new here, please hit the subscribe button right here on the screen and check out these 2 awesome videos. I think you're going to love them. And also please join us on social media: Facebook, Twitter, Instagram, and TikTok. I would love to have you join in all the fun. Thank you guys so very much for watching. See you in the Batcave.